Angelina, you the cool in my temperature. If you call, I go and deliver.
What's up, everyone? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I have a highly requested video.
Why the fuck you lying?
Today I'm going to do the Twi Makeup tutorial challenge. I'm Ghanaian, by the way, and my native tongue, I guess you would call it, is Twi, spelled T-W-I. And yeah, so I'm gonna do the challenge. I'm gonna speak Twi to you all. Not necessarily, I'm gonna speak Twi while I'm doing my makeup, so like explaining the process and everything. Wow, I'm already nervous. Actually, I'm not nervous because my Twi pass. Oh my gosh, I already messed up. Good afternoon, Obia. Oh, almost shared my video. Good afternoon. And then maybe a makeup tutorial on Mamu. And then me brofo. Make a train kwa tremo. So they dig the
so that we
okay, they made the bidi kind of my me eyebrow ne miniachi we miniachi ana Jesus. My me miniachi and then me I knew now wahano my yari and no pie me kwa sorry and me when did that maybe be small so my yeah no did that and tiene maybe start to add it where your friend is saying primer. I'm on na ne a prime on no. So yeah, share me to make a trip share. Oh, be able some man and papa say, hey, Nino Mary, you want no Ghana, none of Mr. Debut, you want to bridge your higher. I'm so wow, to make a trip after the midnight honor menu you say. Before I send my best starts, no me tune you back back. Send that makeup no and call yet. Miss Rosa who send me waking up pajama come on to me. I'm playing. Okay. After them they me Fenty Beauty foundation by me name. Next step no say me the concealer na be fa mini ase aha. Okay, until me de me beauty blender no. Ebe blend mini ase say ya na a blend it kama so tuntumwe ebe contour machine so ene ma funo chain okay, so maybe blending maybe oh my. Okay, my blended this is so exhausting. My blended contouring in area and blended crab my breath. Next me powder way the fat baby a be set to baby a me contour ya. Right now, no. I don't even say like, yeah, tuntum mano. Sometimes, to me, concealer, yeah, tuntum enough. A bit me a concealer, you need papa. To me, I am the eyeshadow craft from my funo so. The dark eyeshadow fast. And the look way so I may know and you look yeah so out there. Maybe you should brush with. I did blush. I am mafno hano. A bit spray, setting spray ka crab gusto. Send it bits me up picking more product. At me do. Okay, Mariette, I'm done. Let me do. Mitumika trio, like Mitumika tree pa, so like me a bomb. So that's basically the end of the video. Comment down below, all my Ghanaians, if you think I did great, cause if I do say so myself, I feel like I did a great job. I feel like I did a good job, bro. I'm born here, but yo, my bro Tris, so stressing in country. Thanks for watching this video. It was super fun. I would say like the most challenging part of it was like thinking of words that you don't really usually say in Twi, but I don't know how to explain it, but like that was the most challenging part, like figuring out the English version versus the Twi version and then kind of incorporating it into your sentence that quick. I feel like that was the most challenging part, but I had lots of fun doing it. I speak Twi a lot. I have a bunch of Ghanaian friends to speak Twi to and stuff, and overall it's a bomb language. So all my Ghanaians out there, gang,
All right.
my Santa for me, I feel like Ghanaians, we just out there like we're bomb. We're all bomb. If you're African, if you're black, you know, we all bomb, you know, we just, let me stop talking. But thanks again for watching this video. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. And yeah, I'm gonna figure out like a posting schedule and stuff like that. So let me know what you guys think in the bottom, in the comment section. And yeah, I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
Take time, boy, baby, slow down. I be you say you wanna go, come back. I go give you if you come closer.